Be honest. How often do we complain as leaders that our teams come to us with problems and not solutions? It is extremely frustrating. However, that is not a people problem. It is a leadership habit. Great leaders don't have to have all the answers. However, we need to build teams that do. If you are tired of being the bottleneck in your team, this masterclass is exactly what you are needing. In the Leaders as Coaches Masterclass, we are looking at how you can use a leadership skill in terms of coaching to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills within your team and team members. Because when our teams think better, they have ownership of their decision-making power, your business moves faster, and it creates an enormous amount of engagement. I look forward to seeing you at the masterclass. Cheers.